The apps that developers create continue to make a profound impact on all of our lives. And these experiences are going to get even better with some big announcements for all of our platforms.
We began by rethinking the fundamental elements that make up our software. And it starts with an entirely new expressive material we call liquid glass. With the optical qualities of glass and a fluidity that only Apple can achieve, it transforms depending on your content or even your context and brings more clarity to navigation and controls.
Many of you missed using tabs in the Photos app. Photos now features separate tabs for library and for collections, where you'll find your favorites, your albums, and easy access to search. And the stunning 3D effect that you saw in the lock screen is available in Photos, so you can experience any of your photos as an incredible spatial scene. Web pages now flow edge to edge to the very bottom of the screen, enabling you to see more of the page. The tab bar has been redesigned to float above the web page and surfaces frequently used actions like search and refresh.
We have some great updates this year to make CarPlay more beautiful and even easier to use. With iOS 26, the new design extends into the car for a consistent, expressive experience while you drive. It brings updates across the whole system, including icons that look great in light or dark mode. iOS 26 also gives you widgets in CarPlay. They're quick and glanceable ways to get information, which is perfect while driving, as well as live activities, so you can stay on top of what's important to you, like a friend's flight status, all done in a way to help you stay focused on the road. All of these updates also come to CarPlay Ultra. It's the very best of iPhone and your car, with a unified and consistent experience across all the driver's screens. CarPlay Ultra lets you choose the layout and design of the most important information for you, and adds vehicle controls for features like the radio and climate right in the CarPlay experience.
This year, we're giving you the option to choose a new unified layout that brings together your favorites, recents, and voicemails, so your most used features are right at your fingertips without having to switch views. This new intuitive layout makes it easier to navigate the app while feeling instantly familiar. We're also introducing a new way to help eliminate distractions like unwanted calls, which can get in the way of picking up the important calls we're waiting for. Now, when you receive a call from an unknown number, call screening helps you quickly gauge whether it's something important or just another pesky telemarketer. We know how frustrating it is to be stuck on hold for what feels like forever just to finally speak with a live agent. Well, get that time back with Hold Assist. With Hold Assist, the phone app can keep your spot in line while you wait for a live agent. Next time you're stuck on hold, whether it's because you're changing your flight or dealing with utility bills, the phone app automatically detects hold music and asks if you want it to wait for you. When you tap hold, the music stops, but the call stays connected, so you can keep using your iPhone or even put it away and go about your daily routines. Don't worry. Once a live agent becomes available, we'll ring you to return to the call and let the agent know that you'll be there shortly. Messages provides a shared space to express ourselves with the people that are closest to us. This year, we're giving you an exciting new way to bring personality to those shared spaces with backgrounds. When you select a background, it appears for everyone in the conversation to enjoy. Group chats are home to so many age-old questions, like, what weekend is everyone free? Instead of dealing with a flurry of responses, we're introducing a delightful way to visualize what the people want with polls. You can create a poll for anything. And with Apple Intelligence, messages can detect when a poll might come in handy and suggest one. Like if someone asks, where should we stay for our annual trip? And when your more particular friends don't like the options, anyone in the group can contribute new ideas. Then watch as the votes roll in live. And groups are getting even better with Apple Cash. Now you can request, send, and receive Apple Cash to settle up on concert tickets or the dinner bill right from the group chat. We're also bringing a highly requested feature, typing indicators for your group chats, which lets you know who is about to chime in. We can't wait to bring you these exciting updates to group chats. New on-device spam detection gets spam out of your way. And for even more control, we're introducing the ability for you to screen new senders. So your messages go from this, a list cluttered with spam and unknown numbers, to this, giving you total control over who appears in your conversation list. Unknown senders appear in a dedicated area where you can decide if you want to mark the number as known, ask for more information, or delete. Until you accept, messages from unknown senders will remain silenced and won't appear as notifications. Even with unknown senders turned on, you'll continue to see important time-sensitive messages, like your table is ready, or a verification code.
When you're catching up on FaceTime, you can follow along with translated live captions, while you continue to hear your grandmother's voice.
Écoute ma chérie, ajoute une pincée de vanille et de l'eau de fleur d'oranger à la pâte. C'est ça mon secret.
Oh, right. Yes.
When you're on a phone call, your words are translated as you talk, and the translation is spoken out loud for the call recipients.
Hi, are you available to cater a wedding on December 6th?
Hallo, sind Sie für eine Hochzeit am 6. Dezember verfügbar?
As they respond, you can hear a spoken translation of their voice.
Ah ja, Ich würde mich sehr freuen, Ihnen zu helfen.
Ah, yes, I would be very happy to help you.
Visual intelligence makes it faster to do more with the content on your iPhone screen. And it works automatically with any app. Say I open a social media app, and I see this great jacket. I want to know where I can get something like this. I can find out with visual intelligence, and I can access it with a familiar gesture by pressing the same buttons I use to take a screenshot. Now at the top, I have screenshot controls like markup and share. At the bottom, I have visual intelligence tools like this image search button in the bottom right. I can tap here to find similar images on Google or other apps I use frequently. Thanks to visual intelligence, I know where to get a jacket like this.
tvOS brings the best of Apple into your living room. Like Apple TV Plus original shows and movies, the massive Apple Music catalog, and everything you love from our app developers. With tvOS 26, we're making Apple TV more enjoyable than ever. And it all begins with the new design with liquid glass, which looks incredible on the big screen. App icons feel more vibrant thanks to their layered design and new specular highlights that bring depth and detail to every edge. With so much to enjoy, it's important to quickly get to the shows you love. And that's exactly what Profiles deliver. Now, you can set Apple TV to display profiles whenever it wakes from sleep, so everyone at home can choose their own and jump right back into the TV, sports, and music that matter most to them. And for developers, tvOS also introduces a new API for automatic sign-in, linking app logins to an Apple account. That means no more signing in across each of your Apple devices, greatly simplifying how you set up a new Apple TV.
Let me introduce you to Mac OS Tahoe. Mac OS Tahoe is all about giving you beautiful and powerful tools for the unique ways you use Mac. It includes many of the features you heard about in iOS, like backgrounds and screening tools and messages, more options in Image Playground and Genmoji, and live translation.
This re-architected and redesigned windowing system maintains the simplicity of iPad. When I first open an app, it shows up full screen. I can swipe home and open another, and it's still full screen. So if this is how you like to use iPad, it's just as simple as ever. But now I also have this grab handle in the bottom right to fluidly resize apps into windows. If I previously resized apps, when I open them again, they open back in the exact same size and position, and I can place them just where I want them.